The opportunity now available across the USA. What do these companies have in common? A few highlighted examples: McDonald's, Marriott International, Intercontinental Hotels and Resorts, the UPS Store, Choice Hotels, Snap on Tools, Pearl Vision. Do you want in on the USA $16 billion plus revenue rideshare market? This chart shows the USA ride-sharing revenues for Lyft, Uber, and combined 2018 to 2020. The year 2020 was an anomaly because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but 2019, these two companies alone made over $16.6 billion. Transport mobility, aka ride-sharing, is present across the USA. Uber operates in 35,859 and Lyft 37,890 jurisdictions across the USA. The average ride costs rider pays on Uber, Lyft and taxi. We see that the consumer pays on average between $25 to $33 per ride. Looking at the transport mobility market penetration growth rate, we see that it will continue to grow for at least the next few years. There are opportunities in the transport mobility market for other players to capitalize on. The airline industry provides a template. There are many players: American, Delta, United Continental, Southwest, JetBlue, to name a few. Therefore, the transport mobility market has room for other national players beyond Uber and Lyft. Introducing Zypps Transport Mobility Platform Franchise Opportunity. Do you live in a jurisdiction, city, town, borough, village, or township of 10,000 or more population? Do you want to own a piece of the transport mobility space? Then obtain a Zypps franchise license for only 50 cents per person per year. In other words, starting at $5,000 for a 10,000 jurisdictions population, you may obtain a Zypps franchise license. In 2017, the average rider spent $283 on transport mobility. This is projected to increase by 1.5 times to $429 by the year 2023. With a Zypps franchise, you pay 50 cents per year to tap into this revenue stream. Making the Zypps franchise investment to tap into the aforementioned revenue stream based on time cost for you and team into operationalization, initial capital outlay. A franchisee may expect an ROI in the first year of between 1.42 to 4.27 times, as shown in these charts. Zypps Transport Mobility Platform Franchise Opportunity. With a Zypps franchise license, franchisees earn 10% of all gross, not inclusive of taxes, fees, etc., ride bookings originating in jurisdiction. Drivers earn 80%. Zypps earn the balance of 10%. What are your responsibilities as a Zypps franchisee? Recruit Zypps drivers. Plan for approximately 4 active drivers per 100 rides. Do local event staging and grassroots marketing within your jurisdiction. Promote Zypps within your jurisdiction. Everything else, platform, technology, customer support, etc., is turnkey. That is, they are all supplied, maintained, and financed by Zypps. Now, let us dive deeper into the details of the Zypps franchise opportunity.
Zypps Transport Mobility Franchisee Earning Opportunity. With a flooring of 1% franchisees' jurisdictions population ride take-up, An optimal goal should be 3%. With an average ride cost, passenger pays equals $30. For a 10,000 jurisdictions population, a franchisee would earn approximate earnings per day equals $300. At 3%, the earnings per day equals $900. Approximate earnings per year equals $109,500. At 3%, the earnings per year equals $328,500. What is Zypps asking a franchisee to do? Invest as little as $5,000 for the opportunity to earn, at a starting range, amounts between approximately $109,500 to $328,500 in 1 year. As this chart shows, the number of people across the USA using transport mobility services will continue to rise well above 61 million. A 1% user base of your jurisdiction's population is a starting point. These two charts show Zypps Transport Mobility Services compares favorably well to its major competitors in terms of the suite of services offered on the platforms. In fact, Zypps has more services than the others, and that is why Zypps is the Swiss Army knife of the industry.
3 very important differentiations between Zypps Transport Mobility and its major competitors you will notice from the two charts are: Zypps does not do unscheduled rides. Therefore, on the Zypps platform, rides have to be booked in advance, but in as little as 30 minutes prior to desired pickup time. Zypps does not do surge pricing. Zypps employs its drivers as full-time drivers.
In terms of schedulable rides, Zypps is the best choice. It is what Zypps specializes in. The specialization that Zypps offers allows it to cater more to the high end of the markets in areas such as airport pickups and drop-offs, business trips, on-demand bus services, doctor appointments, scheduled dinner dates, hourly ride vehicle rental booking, local package pickup and drop-offs. For digital growth that benefits Zypps franchisees, Zypps offers a very compelling market ride-sharing digital affiliate program, the mechanics of which are depicted in this chart. Websites hosting the Zypps Ride Estimator web app earn 1. $5 per referred new customer, $2.50 payable after first ride, $2.50 payable after second ride, 2. $1.50 for each subsequent transaction. The $1.50 will be payable for up to 1 year for each of the referred customers. The $1.50 is earned even if the user was not first sourced by your particular affiliate site. It is earned once the user completes a ride transaction identified as being sourced at the time from your affiliate site. To emphasize, Zypps supports its franchisees in the following areas: 1. Marketing. 2. Technical, operational and customer service support. Zypps spends up to 25% of franchise fees on marketing in areas such as the following: 1. Ads spent on social media platforms: LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. 2. Sponsorship of events, local events, conferences. 3. Radio in select local markets. In summary, there is room for a third national player in the transport mobility space. Zypps is aiming to be that third national player. Zypps' growth strategy is to provide community ownership through franchising. Zypps' market differentiation is to be the premier Swiss Army knife of the industry with the best scheduling platform in the market. Zypps is a minority-owned and operated transport mobility service. Zypps' community ownership and supported transport mobility business model will not compete by trying to outspend the competitors. Zypps will compete based on the grassroots motivation of the community, its franchise structure, and the desire to support a minority-owned and led business in the industry.